Hello lovelies, welcome to another tutorial. Let's crochet this fishbone, which is easy to make. Material we need: milk cotton yarn, 2.5mm hook, stitch marker, and a keychain. Make a magic ring. Work 7 single crochet into magic circle. Pull the loop and close the magic circle. Slip stitch into first stitch and chain 1. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat same pattern till the end. Mark the first single crochet. In the end, remove stitch marker, slip stitch, and chain 1. Work 2 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat same pattern till the end. Slip stitch and chain 1 to start round 4. Work 3 single crochet and 1 increase till the end of the round. In round 5 to 6, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. In round 7, work 1 decrease, 6 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 6 single crochet. For decreasing, insert hook in front loop only of 2 stitches and pull through. Mark the first decrease. This is the second decrease. Now complete the round with one single crochet in each stitch. Slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now crochet the bone. Make a slip knot and work 17 chains. From second chain work, 5 slip stitches. Then chain 4. From second chain work, 3 slip stitches. Two slip stitches into the body. Now make 5 chains. From second chain, make 4 slip stitches. Two slip stitch into the body. Work 4 chains and from second chain make 4 slip stitch. Make slip stitches till end. In last stitch, make 2 slip stitches. Continue same pattern other side symmetrically. Complete the round same way, then cut the yarn and secure it. Now make the tail. Choose any end and insert the hook in last slip stitch. Chain 3, then work 1 treble crochet, double crochet, 1 half double crochet, slip stitch. Now work 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch. Cut the yarn and secure. Now sew the eyes with black yarn. Sew the eyes symmetrically as shown in the video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more tutorials.